So now that we've created a line, we need to end this stitch because my needle is still attached to the fabric. If I were just to cut this thread, there's no knot right here. Everything I just worked on would completely unravel, which is not what we want. So I want to go to the back side of my fabric, the wrong side of my fabric, and I know it's the wrong side of the fabric because I have my knot over here. So what I'm going to do to end my stitch, I'm going to make one more tiny little stitch. Now this will show on the front of your fabric, so make sure it's in line with your line. So all I did was go down in my fabric and back through my fabric just a little bit. So my needle is just laying flat right here. Now what I want to do is push my needle through my fabric, but I don't want to pull all my thread through like I had been doing in the past. Got a little tangle. Since I didn't pull all my thread through, I have this big loop of thread. What I'm going to do is take my needle and I'm just going to put it through this loop of thread 3 or 4 times going in the same direction. I just looped through the thread, and all I have to do is pull my thread tight now, and down here at the bottom a little knot has formed, so I can go ahead and cut my excess thread off. Cut that thread free, so now my needle is free, it's not attached to my fabric anymore, and I have a knot that secured my thread.